Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 18 divided by 3 divided by 18 over 6. Now we find the value of this fraction. So we solve it by the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rules, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Multiplication or division we start from left to right, and addition or subtraction we start from left to right. Now we have two division here, so we start from left to right. If we have more than one division, so we solve it from left to right. Now first of all we simplify the fraction, so 18 divided by 3 divided by, so 18 over 6 give us 6 ones are 6 and 6 threes are 18, so they give us 3. Now we solve first division, then second division. From left side we have 18 divided by 3, then we solve 3 divided by 3. So first of all we solve 18 divided by 3. So 18 divided by 3 give us 6 divided by 3, and 6 divided by 3 give us 2. So final answer is 2. 2 is the final answer. Thanks for watching.